Hello, my name is Jeniffer Lozano, and we're gonna learn about three consonant sounds. Let's start. The first consonant sound is the second consonant sound is and the third consonant sound is j. Let's see the place of articulation. For this consonant sound is labiodental. For this one is dental. And finally, for this consonant sound is post-alveolar or palato-alveolar. Sh. These consonants have something in common. The sound is made by air moving from the back of your mouth through and out your lips. Now let's see the manner of articulation. For the first consonant sound is fricative consonant and voiceless. The next one is fricative consonant and voiceless too. And finally, this consonant sound is a fricate consonant and voiceless too. Examples. My friend turned off the lights before leaving the house. We have the sentence, and in this part you can find the phonetics of each word. And the underlined words, you can find in the phonetics part the consonant sound. My friend turned off lights before leaving the house. With the next consonant sound, we have the example. The toothpaste is in the bath. In the phonetic sentence, we can find the, because this sound is different to this sound. Remember, this sound is, and this sound is z, is different. So the toothpaste is in the bath, right? And finally, with this consonant sound, sh, we have the following example. Wow, you have changed the kitchen. That's probably cause a fortune. No fortune, it's fortune. Ch. And the phonetic, we can find the consonant sound, symbol consonant sound. Wow, you have changed the kitchen. That's probably caused a fortune. Fortune. Ch. Remember, is different. So let's practice. The first exercise is read each sentence and identify and write the right consonant sound. If, sh. Do you like cheese? Do you like cheese? What do you think is the correct? Yes. Cheese. Second exercise. December is my favorite month. December is my favorite month. Which is correct? Ch. Yes. This one. This symbol is right here. And finally, the third exercise. My phone is ringing. My phone is ringing. G. Which is correct? Yes. The consonant sound, the symbol, and is right here. Perfect. Let's do the following exercise. Number 2. Choose the words which contain the sound sin. There can be more than one correct answer. Height, laugh, phrase. We have these words, and we need to know which words are correct according this consonant symbol sound. Height, laugh, phrase. Yes, is laugh and phrase. Let's continue. Sound. Do you remember this sound? Okay, let's do that. Thin, earth, father. Thin, earth, father. Which is correct or which are correct? Yes, thin, earth. No, father. We use th, but this sound is different. It's j, father, father, thin, father, thin. Is different. And finally, this consonant sound, j. Teacher, bridge, child. Teacher, bridge, child. Which is correct or which are correct? Teacher, yes, and child. No bridge, bridge, no. Remember the sound. Z. Teacher, child. Sh is different. Bridge is different. Thank you so much.